guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shalynn, and in today's video I'm bringing you guys a what's in my Givenchy Antigona Mini bag because A, I know some of y'all are nosy and want to know what I keep in my bag, but B, a lot of people want to know how much stuff you can actually fit in this bag, so I'm going to be providing that. And also I'm going to be doing a 1 month update on this bag. Since I have had this bag for 1 full month, I have a lot of opinions, a lot of thoughts about it. But without further ado, girl, let's find out if I regret buying this bag or not. So let's go ahead and jump into exactly what's inside my bag. So as soon as I open my bag, I have this little pouch. Now, I like to keep things in pouches in this bag just in case something spills, girl. It won't be inside this bag, okay? These aren't cute. Like, maybe in the future I'll invest in some like designer, like Louis Vuitton, YSL little cute pouch or something. But for right now, baby, TJ Maxx travel, okay, to go is what we working with, okay? The first thing that I have in here is Cetaphil makeup wipes, just in case I have makeup on. I also have, oh my gosh, this bomb lip gloss. If you're looking for a good chapstick on the market, I recommend Laneige, girl, I don't know, but this is bomb. This is the pear flavor. I also have the grapefruit flavor. I keep one in my car, one in my purse. I have SPF, girl, sun won't be playing with me, okay? And I also have a little sample hand cream, my lash brush, gotta keep the lashes popping, a band-aid, okay, and my birth control, y'all, because I don't know if you guys can see, but there are side compartments here where I guess it's intended for you to put your phone, but I don't really put my phone there, to be honest with y'all. I usually have my phone in hand, so I keep this portable charger in there that my mom got me as part of my Christmas gift, and it is so handy, y'all. Like, I didn't know how much I needed this until I had it. My next side pocket on the opposite side, which is over here, I keep my card holder. So in this pocket I have $10. We ballin', okay? And then girl, let me pick that up, hold on. Tripping for the video. Then I have a Zara receipt. Then I have this cute Gucci card holder. I love this card holder, which I keep my license, my bank cards, you know, the important stuff. Now, something else I wanted to show you guys. Oop, it beeped, okay. I actually have this thing that my mom found, which is so convenient. It's actually like a tracker. So I don't know if it's dangerous to put this out there because now people, if you ever come across my card holder, you'll know I'll be able to track you. But I keep this in my wallet and it's so handy to have. So basically you put this in your wallet and then you download an app on your phone. If you lose your wallet, you can literally GPS locate it. You can make an alarm go off so that you can find it if you misplaced it. It's literally genius. And I also have one of those for my keys as well. Okay, and then on the inside I have 2 more pouches. Now I have this pouch where I keep a lot of feminine products, you know, use your imagination to figure out what's in here. And then we have a boring pouch, which is my medicine pouch or my essentials pouch. So girl, we got vitamin D, we got allergy medicine, we got Tylenol, Excedrin, we got EpiPens, inhalers, dental floss. So I'm that friend where if you need something for a headache, you need something for your cramps, you need something for your allergies, your sinuses, we got it right here. That's pretty much everything that I have in my bag, and this is typically what I carry on a daily basis, including my car keys, which I want to go grab because they're actually pretty bulky as well. So these are my car keys, yes, with the blinged out mace. Yes, so this makes them really bulky, and I always, of course, have my keys in my purse as well. I did want to let you guys know this purse fits a ton of stuff. I can literally fit an iPad mini in here, my Polaroid camera, y'all. Like, this bag, it's insane how much stuff you can fit in here. Just to prove to you guys how much stuff can fit in here, I'm actually gonna put my iPad mini and my Polaroid camera in there. Now, y'all, this is an old iPad mini. I don't even use it, but look at how easily it fits in there. Like, boop, and then boop. Okay, so now that you guys have seen everything that's in my bag, I do want to go ahead and get into the 1 month update. Now, I did want to show you guys quickly a close-up of this bag, just so you guys can see what it looks like compared to how it looked before.
Before you educate the head, try to educate the heart.
of a month, I would say I wore this bag about 10 to 12 times. Now, I do not wear this bag every day. I did not get it for that purpose. I did get it for the purpose of being able to wear it every day if I wanted to, but I have a dusty MCM tote that I prefer to carry on the regular. On the other hand, I did want to go ahead and get into how the bag looks. Now, overall durability, I'm really impressed with this bag. I don't have any scratches on the bag. I don't see any scuffs or anything like that. When you pick up the smooth leather, it does increase the chances of scratches and scuffs, but I still think this bag looks really, really good. I don't see any visible scratches or bangs, so I'm really, really impressed so far with the durability. Now, the second thing that I want to talk about with this bag is definitely the amount of times I was able to wear it. I feel like this bag is super duper easy to style because it's in this classic black. It goes with a lot of stuff. I'm able to wear it like this, and I'm also able to wear it cross body with the strap as well, which I really, really love because they give two completely different looks, two completely different vibes. Okay, and of course you guys know, as I just showed you guys, I love that I'm able to fit so much stuff in this bag. I don't feel like I'm forced to leave anything at home because it doesn't fit in my bag. So I really think that for this to be a mini size bag, it is really quite spacious on the inside. So now I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about my biggest annoyance with this bag, and it is simply the fact that when you're wearing this bag cross body, it comes unhooked quite a bit, and it's so annoying, you guys. It doesn't happen necessarily when I'm wearing the bag, but if I place the bag down, I notice that it easily comes unclipped. So this has what I believe is called a D-ring, and basically it is one part that has like a groove right here, and then there's this opening here, and you're supposed to connect it through that. Now, you would think it's hard for that to come undone because it has to literally line up at the perfect spot for it to unhook, but it happens a lot more than I would like personally. I like the D-ring look, but I honestly think it would have been more practical to just do like the regular clasp. But nonetheless, I still really love this bag. I just really get annoyed by that. I'm sure a lot of people probably have the same issue with this bag as I do, but nonetheless, the strap still looks good. I don't notice a lot of wear and tear on the strap, and I've definitely worn this bag more crossbody than I have handheld, but just keep in mind that when you are wearing crossbody, it can easily come undone. So that's something to keep in mind if you're thinking about purchasing this bag. So I did want to let you guys know that, but nonetheless, I don't regret buying this bag. I still love this bag. I think this bag is super classic, super timeless, and I will be wearing this for many more years to come. But you guys are gonna have to decide for yourself if you think this bag fits your everyday needs. But be sure to leave me a comment down below if you guys have any questions about this bag, and I love you guys so much. Bye.